Hello everyone. If this maps are disabled. Step 1. Enable it in Power BI settings, then go to Option and Setting, then go to Security, then search for maps what you want to enable, then enable it. Go to the tenant settings, search for maps, then enable the all what you need. Restart your system and then after wait for 5 minutes. I am going to start with tree map. Tree map. A tree map is a type of data visualization that displays hierarchical data as a set of nested rectangles. Each branch of the hierarchy is given a rectangle, which is then divided into smaller rectangles representing sub-branches. Tree maps are useful for visualizing hierarchical data structures and comparing proportions within the hierarchy. Then next. Map. The map visualization in Power BI displays data points on a geographical map. It uses Bing Maps to provide the underlying mapping data. You can visualize data using points, lines, or shapes on the map based on your data requirements. Then next. Filled map. Filled maps in Power BI display data using filled regions or polygons on a map. Each region is colored based on the data values associated with it. Filled maps are useful for visualizing spatial patterns and distribution of data across different geographic regions. Then next. Azure Map. Azure Maps is a set of location-based services provided by Microsoft Azure. In Power BI, you can use Azure Maps as a mapping service to visualize geographical data. It offers features like geodata and more for building advanced location-based applications. arcGISmaps. arcGISmaps is a mapping platform provided by Esri, which allows users to create interactive maps and perform spatial analysis. In Power BI, you can integrate arcGISmaps to visualize spatial data, perform geospatial analysis, and create custom maps with various layers and data sources. Then next. Shape map. Shape maps in Power BI allow you to visualize data using custom geographical boundaries or shapes instead of traditional map visuals. You can import custom shape files or use built-in map boundaries to represent data at different geographic levels such as countries, states, or regions. Now you can observe how these are behaving by changing the properties. By